Welcome, dads. So a couple of weeks ago we were walking past this flyer, and since then all Evie Lily has gone on about is circus, circus, circus. So I thought I would take a step up from being an average dad and be a great dad by buying her tickets to the circus, which you'd think she would love, having gone on about it for 2 weeks, right? Do you want to take a break from trashing the house? No? Do you want to take a break? We're going to the circus! The circus! You want to come to the circus? Come on. Yeah, you've made some more mess. Great, come on. Should we leave the house and go to the circus? Where's your circus? You want to go to the circus? No? The tickets are 20 quid each. Do you want to go to the circus? You're going to the circus. Come on. There was a man throwing knives at beautiful women. Did she love it? There was a woman whose abs alone deserved a round of applause. Did she love it? A guy, no word of a lie, did a somersault from one horse onto another horse. Did she love it? There was this incredible magic act where this woman's shorts just got smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller.
Everybody clap your hands above your heads. 1, 2, 3. Hands above your heads. Come on.
Did she like it? Don't know, I wasn't looking. Might have done. I like that one. Do you know what she did love? It was a dog rolling over. You can see that in the park. So my tip is, if they ask for something, don't bother getting it for them because they don't appreciate it, and just go and watch a dog roll over or something. More in a couple of weeks. Subscribe and share. Come on, just do it. Why do I even have to say it now?